Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 16th of November 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty, Bank Nifty, Euro INR and USDINR. So before moving ahead, I'd like to tell you that whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, cool. Now let's get started. Let's start first today with Euro INR and then USD INR, and then let us look at the US market as well, and then let's move to the Indian market. All right, so right now on a daily time frame, we are seeing the euro against the Indian rupees. Right now it is trading at 84.6414. okay, we can see how the price is moving live. Okay, how it is. See, now it's 64, it was, now it is 69. That's how the volatility is there, volume is there, it's going up down, and that's how it keeps on moving. All right, now looking at the daily frame, yesterday means, which is 12, 13, 14 hours ago, the market, the Euro INR was trading at 83.97. It has all closely gone up approximately 70 paisa till now and made a high of at the high is at 73 paisa, so exactly approximately 75 paisa it has gone up. Indian rupee is getting slightly weaker to the Euro INR, but look, wait, we have a good news here. What? The dollar against the Indian rupee, had got stronger for a while and then it went back to 81, 82, 83, like that it has been going on. Okay, so the market started over here, which is 81.077, and then it went on to climb up till 81.4790, and from here it came on till dropping. It dropped up until 81.2138 and then moved back to the bottom, which is 81.41, and right now it is trading at 81.427. Right now I am expecting a target of USDINR. In USDINR I am targeting to 23 rupees, anywhere between 83 rupees I am expecting. 83 or 82.5, if I get that also, that would be well and good. And with the Euro INR, I am expecting it to come back to 81 because it has reached its high. If not, it's gonna go till 86, but I don't think so it has any reason to go till there. If you see the high as well, the high is maximum 86. The maximum in 1 year it may go till up 86, and 88 is a stop loss for us. Okay, and from here it has to come back. It has to come back to this level, which is approximately, let's say it has to come back to 80 rupees now. Okay, 81, even if it's come back, we can capture approximately 84.72 minus 81, we can capture 3.7 rupees easily in approximately a month of a time. Let's see. I'm definitely sure that it will definitely go on a good trade. All right, cool. Now let us move to the US market. How is US market? US market is kind of a sideways market right now. The Dow Jones is trading at 33,627 and then 618, just like 0.078% higher. S&P is trading 0.52, which is just sideways market. 52.52% down, which is 20.68 paisa down, and Nasdaq is 134 points down. Russell is 29 points down. VIX is also lower by 1.67%. Completely sideways market. We'll get to know by maybe tomorrow or day after. All right, now let us move to the Nifty November future. The previous closing here was 18,462. The open was at 18,462. Okay, exactly at some around it has happened to be same. Just let me refresh for this confirmation. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, it has opened at the same price, while the high is 18,493. The low is 387. It was a complete option seller market. Trust me or not, it was completely an option seller market. The market did not move a bit. It was like up and down, but I didn't feel like to even trade into the market. Okay, it has closed approximately around here. So the market has closed around here, and then market has opened approximately at the same level in the morning comparing to the last day. Okay, the market went below the pivot level. The market went below the pivot level, made a quick low of 18,408, and then quickly moved back up to 18,000 18,491, and that quick is approximately 2 hours. Okay, it did take a little bit long and went. Okay, if I draw a trend line for you, you can clearly see that the market has tried to make a higher lows. Okay, went up, touched back, and then again went up. Okay, but from here it kept on to drop, and then the market went up till 18,495, and then from here we saw a quick low in the Nifty November future at 18,370 somewhere, and then the market slightly bounced back and then managed to close at 18,446. All right, so let us now see the Bank Nifty November future. The previous closing was at 42,493, while the open was at 42,465, little like just 20 points bottom, and then high was at 42,666, while the low was at 42,421. If the market goes around, if we see on the closer look in the markets, okay, we can see over here, and then we have 60. Okay, the market is around. Okay, cool. So the market has opened around here, then went up, couldn't sustain, and then dropped back to the bottom, and then moved and then played for approximately half an hour till in the range. Once it taken a good support on the pivot level, it went on to a beautiful rally. The Nifty was trading approximately 30, 40, 20, and then 10 points higher, and then 40, 50 max point lower, while the Bank Nifty was trading approximately 100, 200, 150 points higher, and then then Bank Nifty went up till 42,700 and change, and from over here it went back up until 42,666 to make a high, gave a good profit booking. Okay, gave a good profit booking at approximately 42,479, and then the market managed to close at 42,563. Okay, if we come back over here to the market, and if we see to the option chain, right now the PCR is 1.22. The maximum pain over here is 42,200. We can see over here. All right, and then the implied at the money implied volatility was 15.7, and then per percentile kind of it's 2, and it's kind of a low. Okay, yeah. So if we see into the technical ways, the market has been bullish in the 1 hour. On a daily time frame, it's a bullish. On a 30 minutes time frame, it's slightly to the bearish. 15 minutes, and then if you see on a minute chart, it's completely bearish. All right, let's stick on with 30 minutes time frame, and then we'll get to know. Well, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Peace. Thank you.